morning everyone. So it's Monday today and everything is back to normal. Max is back at school, Paul's gone back to work, and I've got a few errands to run. I'm going right now to my PO box. I haven't been there since before Christmas, so I'm hoping that my wig is there. You know, my favorite Raquel Welch Editors Pick in shaded biscuit. So the shaded biscuit is back in stock, so I hope that wig is there. Then I have to go to the doctor and pick up my prescription for all my medications, my hormones and everything. And then I have to go to the dentist to make an appointment with the dentist and a hygienist to have my teeth cleaned, and then I've got loads of ironing to do. My hair is not very good. It's a bit fluffy and flat, but I couldn't be bothered to do anything with it today. I must say though, my hair feels so much thicker, and also my nails, I don't know if you can see, but my nails are growing so fast and are so strong, and I don't know why. So I've been thinking it must be partly the hormones, you know, estrogen, because estrogen is responsible for all the, you know, for everything really in your body. So that's why we dry out without estrogen, and also the nails get weaker, everything gets weaker. But I was wondering if it's me exercising as well, because you know, when you exercise, your blood is pumping around your body, therefore the blood is carrying more oxygen to every organ in your body, oxygen and all the nutrients in your blood. So I wonder if exercise has something to do with it as well. But yeah, I've noticed that my nails, honestly, they are so strong and hard and long, which is good. My nails always been quite good, but they would, you know, split or break. I can't remember last time my nails split or broke. I have to keep cutting them or filing them down to keep them, you know, not too long, because it's a bit hard to type now. I will need to tell you a story about me being a matchmaker, and I haven't talked to you about it for a while, and that was because the person I want to talk about used to work at my PO box, and obviously I didn't want to talk about her then, but she's not there anymore, so I will tell you the story. So my brother split up with his partner, not this Christmas, Christmas before that. And in my PO box, this girl worked there. She is Polish, and she was so lovely. We almost became friends. I used to just go there and she would make me a cup of coffee. We would have a chat, you know, when I was picking up my stuff. And one day I said to her, I have to introduce you to my brother. Although my brother lives near Manchester, he lives up north. So she gave me her Facebook account, name or whatever, and I gave it to him, and he contacted her. And the same day, that was like 10 months ago now, the same day he called me and he said, what have you done? He said, we were talking on Facebook for a bit, and then we just talked on the phone for 6 hours, and that was it. That was the beginning of a great love story. So recently she's moved up there, they've bought a house together. So yeah, it's they're really happy and it's so nice, but I feel a bit responsible. I said, if something goes wrong, don't come back to me, because they always say if something goes wrong, we blame you for it because it's all your fault. So yeah, I'm quite pleased with that. They are very good for each other. So yeah, that was my story time. Okay, so I'm back. I've done all my chores and I got my wig. So this is the Editor's Pick in Shaded Biscuit. They also have sent me, I'm talking about Hey You Wear. These are the people that design and distribute Raquel Welch wigs. They've sent me a crowd pleaser as well, so I shall review it for you, so watch out at some point, or maybe I would have already reviewed it and you probably already seen this review. So yeah, I'm really happy. As you know, this one is not as curly here as the other one. That's the thing, you know, you can order 5 of the same wigs and the curl pattern will be a bit different on each of them. Anyway, I love it. Also got my from Skin Deva, my vitamin C and ferulic acid serum. I've missed it so much. You know, this is the first thing I use in the morning, and I've run out before Christmas, but I haven't been, this has been sitting obviously in my PO box for ages. And look what a beautiful Christmas card they sent me. It's like 3D. It's gorgeous. Thank you so much, Skin Deva. They've just come out with a new eye cream, so they've sent it to me to try it. This is Dark Circle eye cream with hyaluronic acid and haloxyl, and that is, haloxyl is an ingredient that I think is also in my Banish Puffy eye cream. So I'm going to try this and let you know what it's like, because this is brand new for Skin Deva. So I'm really curious to try it. Oh, it's got a lovely, and it's in a pump, which is good. So we will see how that works. Thank you so much, Skin Deva. That card is so beautiful. I'm going to keep it. Oh, and they've also, I got some refills from Smile Deva for the whitening kit. I've actually been to my dentist and they are so busy, I can't get the hygienist appointment till March, can you believe it? Because I don't want to start whitening my teeth till I have them cleaned. I also got some cards from Australia. Oh, they are probably Christmas cards. So sorry I've picked them up so late, but you know what it's like at Christmas. From Anita. Oh, look at the kangaroos. Oh, thank you so much, Anita. I'm sorry that I've picked them up so late, but it doesn't matter. I keep them all. So then, oh, they're all Christmas cards. How beautiful. Merry Christmas and a happy, healthy and prosperous new year to you and your family. Christine. Thank you, Christine. Oh, they are so gorgeous. I keep all these cards, so it doesn't matter that they got here late. Oh, look how gorgeous this one is. Why is Christmas over? Oh wow, I've got a lovely letter in here, so I'm going to read it later. And that's from Laurie. Thank you so much. That's a beautiful card. So that's the cards from you. I better put them back in there so I know who is who. Okay, and then I got this. Look at that. This is Deck of Scarlet. I don't know if you've heard of the company. I think they do like a monthly subscription where you get a palette that's all you need. So you get eyeshadows, I think you get blush, bronzer, and couple of lipsticks, and every month you get different one. But they've just come out with the foiled eyeshadows. Look at that. And in here oh, there it is, I've taken it out. I've got like a magnetic palette. So there is 14. They look beautiful. I'm going to put them in this palette. So they come like this. And I will put them all in this palette. I hope this is magnetic palette. And I show it to you once they are all in and we swatch couple. Okay, so here they are. I've put them all in here. They look gorgeous. Let's swatch some. Look at this one. This one is like a duochrome, and this one is called Nikia. Very small writing. And that's the shadow. Oh, it's very battery. So can you see this one is like duochrome, sort of warm brown with like a green shift. What's that one? Stephanie. They look beautiful. Oh, can't wait to try them on my eyes. They feel very, very battery. Gorgeous. Oh, I'm looking forward to it. I really like the blue one actually. Let's try the blue one. They are so battery when you touch them. Oh, look at the blue one. I need to do some blue looks. Yeah, beautiful. Oh, I'm looking forward to doing some looks with these. So watch out for that. I'm sure I'll be using them in my 5-minute eyes. Oh, that's so beautiful. Thank you to Deck of Scarlet. I will leave you the link to their website. And you can buy these obviously, I think separately, you know, individually. This is, I suppose, like a PR box. Okay, my lovelies, so that's all I had in my PO box. I'm going to go and do my ironing now. So I speak to you later. Bye. Hello everyone. I'm out of breath because I just walked up the hill. So it's a lovely afternoon. It's very muddy, but it's sunny. And I've decided to go out with Louis for a nice long walk, just to clear my mind. We all know that good walk in nature does you a lot of good. And also, oh my god, you would think I'll be fitter now. Also because I'm aching like mad, my glutes and my thighs ache so much from yesterday's gym session. I thought they always say you should move if you ache to disperse this, I think it's lactic acid, isn't it, that causes the muscles to ache. So that's what I'm doing. Can you see Louis there? Come on, Louis. He's such a happy bunny. He just loves being out. Can you see squirrels? There is. There's a squirrel. Can't see it. Ah. I'm hot now. So yeah, I don't know what I've done this week for this vlog. You know how I do it, I film it not every day but now and again, so I probably will finish it here because my vlogs are usually quite long. Have a wonderful week and I will see you soon. Bye.